Welcome back everyone, and today got something special for you. This is a review on the cameras that I just installed on my truck. This monitor here is pretty good. This one in particular, this is my first one. The second one's in the truck right now. First one smells like that mysterious blue smoke. And that's just horrible. But you get what you pay for, because I paid 40 bucks for one of these. And if you go anywhere, it's $250 at Best Buy or Amazon or some other places, right? So I got a no-name brand. So first of all, I lost 40 bucks on the first one. The second bad thing about it is the mic's at this one point here where, hey, it picks up the audio of the machine itself. Some recording devices do that. Now, this image that you're watching right now is just like the snow blowing across the ground. It was awesome to look at. This image coming up right now. This car pulls out, and I'm actually sliding right now towards it. So, like, trying to stop. So yeah, this image right here is an image of me driving down the freeway. This direction, there's no one else on the road, and everyone's going in the opposite direction because they're just looking at me saying, hey, listen, you want to go away from the snow, not towards the snow. So yeah, it was pretty fun getting the freeway all to myself. There was no one on there. Now, this camera system here, it defaults to the big monitor for the front camera, and there's a little monitor on the side here for the back camera. So this part here, just showing you push one of the arrow buttons and it automatically switches the cameras so you actually can see what's behind you in the mirror instead of seeing what's in front of you in the mirror. That is weird driving that one. Other downside is the mirror is a little bit on the dark side. It has a dark tint, where my window in the back is tinted, and so it gets pretty dark. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching. As always, love you guys. Talk non-gay way, and see you in the next video.